Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you are new, welcome. Today I have a quick unboxing here. I got this very recent. Here I have opened up this. Let me show you what I have here, and I will explain more after I have opened up. I am very excited when I got this. Let me explain to you later. As you can see here, this brand is from Mita. I got to know about this brand from Mel from Melbourne. So I actually went ahead and purchased one of the handbag which I saw from the website that is very nice. And they have this very nice box. Let me just show you here the box that they have written here. Luxury made by people, not brands. This is directly from Italy, and you can see here, from Italian artisan to you. They have this envelope as well, from Italy with love, and actually they have wrote a letter that is very nice. That this letter that they wrote here, this is a thank you letter. It is a very nice note here. Let me just open up the handbag. This is a very small bag, but it is a very nice bag. It shows that this is established in 1860, made in Italy. This is the name of it there. Fontanelli. Sorry about my pronunciation. I think this is pronounced as Fontanelli. This is a very nice bag. Okay, and the dust bag is quite thick as well. Yes, let me put away the box first. They come with this dust bag as well. They have two dust bags. They come with this cover. They come with this cover, and they have this dust bag. They actually give me a free gift. Then this is the free gift. This is the leather, and this is just it's like a keychain. It can be a keychain. This is made of leather, and this is very nice. Let me show you the bag. Look at this. It is very nice. The name for this bag is Elvira Mini. This is in Dove Grey, and it is very cute. So let me just open up and show you. But it is quite small. So let me explain to you. I need to return this. This is the strap that is quite nice. The leather strap as well. And this strap is adjustable. It's a hook onto the handle here. This handle here. It is this here. I don't know how to hook it now since I'm not keeping the bag. This bag, actually it is very small and very structured. Let me take out the things. I just want to show you why I'm not keeping this bag. I will exchange for a bigger one. This is a very nice bag actually, but it is a very small bag and very structured. This is Saffiano leather. This, see, is a structured Saffiano leather. It is very nice, and it does have a fit as well here. I wanted to put in my phone. Let me just show you. I'm filming my phone, but just this, let's say this is the cover of my phone. I wanted to put in my phone just even, and it is quite tight actually. So this is just the cover. Say this is a thick cover, but I'm using a soft cover. Even that also, the size is about the same. So you can see here, it doesn't really fit the phone. I mean, it is quite snug. If I want to put in, I have to put it diagonally, something like that. You see, when I put in, I have to put in diagonally. I do not want to stretch the leather, something like that. It can't even put in, see, this side. So therefore I have no choice, but I told them that I need to return this to return this handbag, and thank God they allow me to do so. So that then I told them that I don't mind to top up for a bigger one. Exactly, it's the same design. Let me just put back the things first, since I'm not keeping it. I don't want to stuff my things inside, keep my things inside anymore, because since I'm not keeping it, I do not want to ruin it. They sure have to check it before they actually allow me to exchange for the bigger one. So there you go. This is the very nice Saffiano leather. This is in grey color, and actually this top handle with this is really the structure like Kelly, Hermes Kelly, but this is even smaller than that, and the handle, you know, is quite structured, and the side here is very structured. I mean, the bottom from here to here is 18. The top with the handle from here to here is actually 5.5 cm, but if without the handle from here to here, it's only 16 cm. Therefore, it is very, very small. My phone height is still, you know, it's still so much taller than this. Yeah, from here you can see that so much taller. So therefore, I can't fit my phone. I have no choice but to return. But thank God they allow me to return and to get a bigger one, slightly bigger one. Of course, it's heavier, but it's slightly bigger. I think it's 24 cm. Then at least I can fit my phone, the Kelly 25 like that. So this is a something like a Kelly structure. The design of it is like here, the opening is like that actually, or the opening is like that. Then you have to open up this, and actually the handle is also with this strap. So it is really something like a Kelly Hermes. Okay, I know the price for Kelly. The price for Kelly Hermes is so big difference from compared to this one. But my point here is, if you were to get a Kelly Hermes, Kelly Hermes, and but of course you can't try in store, and you can't you know, unless you're in US or you have a second-hand stores in your country. If you can't even go in and see the handbag and all these things, I suggest that you may want to get this brand to actually try out. They have quite a lot of style which is very similar to Hermes style. Actually, they do have this mini Kelly in the rectangular as well, 20 something like. They don't call it Kelly, but it's very similar. So therefore, you know, this is one of it. This is the Kelly. In fact, this is 18. This is 18, size 18 here. In fact, Kelly 20 is slightly bigger than this only. It will be slightly longer, that's all. Actually, and very, even not so tall. I think thinner, if I'm not wrong, is shorter. So therefore you can actually try this out. So therefore, actually, not that I want to get any Hermes bag. I just want, since the I like the design actually, because I want to try it out as well. So, and also the leather is very hardy leather. Saffiano leather is very hardy leather. But this bag is too mini for me, too small for me, for my liking. I can't fit in my phone as well. So it's like, you know, so in other words, Kelly 20 won't be that big as well. So I just, not that I want to get a Kelly 20 or anything like that, but then what I mean is, like, I do have a lot of small handbag already. I don't need so many small handbag for evening dinner. I don't need so many, not that I have a lot of dinner to go. So I rather get a bigger one so that I can fit my stuff and use it for work or something like that. The price, that is so good. I will put the price on the screen here. I can't offhand remember the price, but it's very good. And in fact, I got a discount for this one. And I like this color. This is a gray color and very neutral color as well. Unfortunately, I have to return this. I hope to get a bigger one and same color as this, and I will show you the bigger one once I got it. So if you were to try out, then you can actually go to the website, and I will link the website down below. This video is not sponsored. I just happened to, you know, watch Mel from Melbourne's video. Then she showed one of this, and she actually got this one. I mean, got the same one, but slightly bigger as well. I can't remember what color she got it, but then, you know, exactly the same design. So actually, it's like made to order. It's a long family tradition manufacturing leather in France since 1860. Yeah, they do have all these small they do have all these manufacturer in Italy that does all these things with the finest material and highest quality standard. So I really love this. Actually, the design is very sleek design. I would say very sleek design, but I will try to try it out. So since it will be bigger, and see how it goes. I can take it to work and all. Do let me know if you have any question with regards to this, and I try my best to answer. If you love this video, perhaps you can click the subscribe button to subscribe for more videos. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you again. Bye.